Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a mini Sephora haul and try on. So I went to Sephora yesterday and I picked up a few goodies. Well, I re-upped on my MAC Skin Finish powder, the one that broke. I use this for all over setting powder in my shade medium tan. So we're going to, that's a re-up. But I bought a few products. Actually, only 4. Mini haul, but we're going to see how it goes. So, the first thing I bought was Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Full Setting Spray. This is, I think, 3.3 ounces. My homegirl ordered it. She said it was good. I didn't try it yet. I had to buy it. I was on my to-do list of getting. So, this is what it looks like. No melting, no fading, no creasing. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and mist over entire face before and after applying makeup. So, we could actually probably get started with this before and after makeup. Setting spray. Should we go for it? Over entire face before and after applying makeup. Okay, so. Smells good. I don't know what quite the smell is, but we're gonna try it. Yeah. Hairstyle, we're gonna try something new today. Okay, let's move along. I also bought the other 3 things I bought was from Patrick Ta. It is the She's Independent cream gloss. I feel like I have more things in my which is in this color, nudie nude, and I wanted to purchase the lipstick and Oh She's Single, which is a nude as well. Oh, I like the packaging. Very nudie nude. I'm gonna try that. Super mini haul. And then She's So LA. So I guess I only really bought 3 major products. This is the Duo Blush. But I've been loving like cream makeup lately, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's super pretty. How do you open it, you say? Oh, okay. So this is the colors. This is the cream down here, and then this is the blush right here. And I was watching this tutorial yesterday when he was doing it on somebody, and he said he applies the blush first and then the cream. I did very neutral because it looked like everything else wasn't going to show up on me. I don't know. It needs to have a little bit more darker skin tones in there. But let's just get started. I'm going to start with brows. Hold on one second. Okay, so we're just going to get into brows real quick. How you guys been? Been doing okay. I'm just going to just outline. My brows need to be done, but I don't want like them super thin. So I've been kind of doing myself. Okay, so we're gonna start with primers. My usual Tarte Clean Slate putty. We're gonna put this in the. I do feel a difference since I put that setting spray on, to be honest with you. But cancel out these pores. My newer foundation, Tom Ford. I'm in 7.2 Sepia, Tom Ford Soft Matte Foundation. I'm using natural light and my ring light here, so. This is Kevin Aquan, what is it, Sensual something. I'll tell you guys in a second. Sensual concealing one in a pot. Thick one. Tom Ford. I dog this, as you can see. There's a Tom Ford Intensity 2 Shade and Illuminate. Camera blend powder, the original. Okay. So I kind of got the whole face on one accord, but I'm going to go in with my MAC Skin Finish powder. That's what it look like. Gucci bronzer and Pour Debut Eclat Soleil. And I'm just going to pack this in. So pretty. This bronzer is like Skin Finish, Airbrush Flawless Finish, and number 2. I'm going to show you what this shade looks like. That shade is this. On my hand. It's very sheer, but that's fine. I don't know if you can see that. You want a light touch, and the powder is like a mauve, which is right here. Which is fine. It's like a brownie nude, which I wanted anyway. Ooh, I like that. It's very soft. It reminds me of Gingerly by MAC, which is like my everyday color. You know, I don't want to blend it in with the bronzer, but that's pretty. It's very neutral. So if you're looking for something like that, okay. But if you're not, ooh, you see that? Wow. Without, with. Wow, that's pretty. And it looked like that on a girl yesterday that he did the thing with. I'm gonna even bring it all the way up here. Wow. Now I want to put the blush back on there. This is so pretty. He gives that very wet look, dewy look. You could do it, we'll leave it wet, or you could put it back on. It's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can. I do like it. Now, highlights. Let's get into that because I could do, since we're on creams, I could do Shade and Illuminate cream, but are we gonna do that? Yeah, let's go for it. I barely use this, but I need to get back into it. It's like a wet, glowy look. I really love makeup. Like, I really love makeup. My HD powder by Makeup Forever. Go in. I'm going to spray my face again with this. I like the spray on it too. Okay. Let me get a darker pencil. This is the Kim K one. Patrick Ta lipstick in Oh She's Single. It's like a nudie pink. Oh, I thought it was gonna be more nude. I bought this from Sephora yesterday, but you can't swatch anything, so. This is the only nude color though. It's like a nudie pink, which is fine. It's still pretty. I like the formula. It reminds me of the Kim Kardashian 90s icon. I'm going to go on top with the cream by Patrick Ta. This is She's Independent. All of them are beautiful. I swatched all of them yesterday. This is more of like a nudie. On me, nudie pink. On a girl to swatch yesterday was because they're allowed to swatch on them. But you're the one buying the product, and we're not the same color. This is pretty. Has a little peppermint smell. I like the doe for applicator. And I definitely would have had to use a fixing my lip. Pretty. Sorry, I was concentrating on the lip. I got lost in the sauce. Lip is pretty. I think I love this makeup. I'm going to just do a nice little neutral eye and call it a day. Don't want to put any shimmer on my eye. We can use this. Let me put a crease color and then we'll use a Jouer color. The e.l.f. one. I have it right here, and I'm gonna go in with Darling and Truffle right here, those two. Actually, these are really good colors that I picked because it's like a pinkish nudie. That makes sense. Perfect. I'm just gonna put this all over. I'm mixing those two colors. And this is out of the e.l.f. The New Classics eyeshadow palette. So I'm using the same stuff every single day. Throwing this really legit in the crease. Palette. This is the Jouer Ultra Foil eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna put a finger color on, and we're gonna go in, I guess, with this shade called Willow. Between Willow right here and Spellbound, those two. Start with Willow first. Willow looks like this. You see that? That's pretty. Wow, that's gorgeous. Really is gorgeous. That blew me away. I've used these before, but it's been, I want to say a minute. Oh, God. Wow. Let me go on the other side. I almost don't want to use the other color. I'm not either. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do liner. I'm usually like the liner person, but this is a L'Oreal black liner. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. The face is so glossy, so my hair is like sticking to it, but you know, you get the vibes. I think I want to put a little bit highlight, like dry highlight on, because it gives it a little wet look. These lashes, by the way, are from runwayaddicts.com. These are the Style Muse, the cat eye, thinner in, flare out. And I'm also going to do one last thing. I want to kind of want to smoke out the bottom a little bit. Yeah, I'm just going to highlight. Let me get, just to draw the highlight up a little bit, Hourglass. This is the Ambient Strobe Light, Pure Strobe Light, and Lucent Strobe Light. This was, I think, an audition kind. So we're going to go into these two. Not that that was, this color is very similar to what I have on my face in the liquid form. She's just these two on the end. And it gives you that same look that I have in a liquid version, but in the powder form, so my hair doesn't stick. You see? Beautiful. Just put it everywhere. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so very much, and